Honorable, the leader of our community here in Kenya,
banyakubahwa bakuru b'amazu yose agize ubwoko bw'abanyamurenge n'abayagize,
honorables, all the leaders of our families being here in Nairobi in Kenya,
bavandimwe mwese mwitabiriye uyu muhango wo kwibuka intwari yacu Lieutenant General Rukunda Michel,
brethren who have come to attend this commemoration to remember our hero General Michel Rukunda,
n'abagenzi be twibuka kuri iyi tariki,
and the other friends who have fallen together with him.
umuryango bwite wa Lieutenant General Rukunda Michel,
Family of Rukunda Michel,
batumirwa mwese mwaje kwifatanya natwe kwibuka no guha agaciro gakwiye intwari y'ubwoko,
all the invited guests who have come to commemorate the hero and honor that we give to our hero,
Lieutenant General Rukunda Michel,
Lieutenant General Rukunda Michel, who died on 19 February in the year of 2025.
nyakubahwa uhagarariye umuryango mugari w'abanyamurenge,
Honorable, who is standing representing the community of Banyamulenge,
tubashimiye umwanya mwageneye umuryango wacu
we thank you for the time you have given to our family
muri uyu muhango kugira ngo dufatanye kurira,
in this commemoration that you have come to cry out
kwibuka
and remember
no guha agaciro intwari yacu twibuka uyu munsi.
and to give honor to our hero that we remember today.
Ni muri urwo rwego
It is in this way
dufashe uyu mwanya
we take this opportunity
kugira ngo twihanganishe umufasha n'abana ba Fande,
given in order to send the word of condolences to the family of our beloved hero,
twirwaneho
the family of
yabereye
Twilwaneho,
umuyobozi mukuru
that he was their leader
ndetse n'ubwoko muri rusange
and also
yitangiye
the community in general,
akaza kuwuzira.
that he has offered himself to go and service them and died.
Lieutenant General Rukunda Michel
Lieutenant General Rukunda Michel,
ni muntu mu muryango wacu.
who is he in our family?
Rukunda Michel
Rukunda Michel
ni mwene nyakwigendera Rutubuka Pierre na Sada,
is the son of Tubuka and Sada.
yavukiye mu Gitoga
He was born in
mu mwaka
Gitoga
w'igihumbi kimwe magana cyenda mirongo irindwi na gatandatu.
in 1976.
Akura nk'abana bose,
He grew up like other children. He went to school.
akora imirimo yose ikorwa n'abandi bana.
He did many activities that other children does.
Igihe cyaje kugera
The time came,
ahunga igihugu
he fled
hamwe n'abandi benshi,
together with some
yisanga
other
mu
many
gihugu cy'u
people.
Rwanda.
He found himself in the country
nyuma
of
y'igihe
Rwanda.
kirekire kitari kirekire
After a short while,
ahangana nyuma y'igihe kitari kirekire ahagana mu gihumbi kimwe magana cyenda mirongo icyenda na karindwi
in 1997,
yahagurukanye n'abandi basore benshi
he stood up with other men.
batabara ababyeyi bariko bakorerwa ubwicanyi
They went and gave support to the parents who were being
mu
killed
gihugu cya Bucako.
in their country of
Rukunda
DRC.
Michel
Rukunda Michel,
yashatse umugore,
he married to
Imana imuha umuryango,
a wife and God gave the family.
adusigiye umuryango mwiza kandi munini.
He left us with a wide family.
Rukunda Michel
Rukunda
yari
Michel,
inkingi ikomeye y'umuryango wacu,
he was a very great stronghold.
yakoze imirimo tutarondora,
He did an tremendous job that we cannot
irimo
mention.
gufasha abavandimwe,
Among them is helping the
kwita ku
brothers,
bapfakazi n'imfubyi
caring about the widows and orphans
mu muryango,
in the family,
no gufasha abakene,
and also support the poor people.
ishaka no gutwara ibye
And his work of being a hero,
byahesheje ishema umuryango.
it has given a honor to the family.
Lieutenant General Rukunda Michel
Lieutenant General Rukunda Michel,
nk'intwari y'ubwoko n'igihugu cyacu,
as a hero of our community and also the nation of
kubera
God.
mu mwaka w'igihumbi kimwe magana cyenda mirongo icyenda na gatanu
In 1995,
Lieutenant General Rukunda Michel
Lieutenant General Rukunda Michel
yari
Makarita,
akiri umusinzira,
he wasn't anymore Musinzira.
ahubwo imyaka y'ubusore bwe
In his youth,
kugeza abaye umugabo
up to when he became an adult,
yari gukorera igihugu.
he offered them to serve the country.
Kubera ico gihe
Since that time,
yabaye umusirikari
he became a soldier
wa AFDL,
of AFDL.
nyuma aba umusirikari wa FCD,
Then he became a soldier of
hanyuma
FCD.
aza kuba inyeshamba
Then
arwanya leta,
he became a militia that fought against the government along with his friends,
aho yaje kuva yiyunga na leta,
whereby he came to join the government back
kugeza umunsi yafataga icyemezo
up to when he decided
cyo gusiga icubahiro
to
cye,
leave the honor he had in the
umugore
military
n'abana be
of DRC,
ndetse n'inyungu zose,
the family and also children.
atabara ababyeyi
He went and gave
bari
support.
bugarijwe na mayimayi.
He went and supported the parents who have been being killed by Mai FDLR,
na leta ya Kinshasa
and also the government of
icyo
DRC.
gihe yaricisha inyuma ya mayimayi.
At that time, the government was still hiding themselves behind the militias.
aho yanyuze hose
Wherever he passed through,
yaranzwe n'ubutwari
he was shown by his hero
ku rugamba ndetse no mu yindi mirimo
at the battlefield or in other activities of his military personnel
yagiye ashinga.
that was given.
tutibagiwe ibikorwa by'iterambere
Without forgetting the activities of development
hatandukanye.
in many places.
Lieutenant General Rukunda Michel
Lieutenant General Rukunda
hamwe
Michel,
n'abagenzi be bakoze imirimo ikomeye
together with the others, they did a great job
yo kurwana ku babyeyi
to fight for our people
n'ibyabo bike byari bisigaye.
and also fighting for our belonging.
yahuje abantu bose
He brought together all the people
atavangura,
without discrimination.
yakemura ibibazo hagati y'abaturage,
He came even and solved the issues and the problem among our
yatoje
people.
abasore uburyo bwiza bwo kwirwanaho,
He trained our young men how to fight for themselves.
yashyizeho umurongo ugenderwaho
He
kugira ngo
He has put the guideline directives
mu mirwano hatabamo akajagari.
how they can fight their enemies without being in disorder.
Lieutenant General Rukunda Michel
Lieutenant General Rukunda Michel Makanika,
yitaye ku mfubyi n'abapfakazi
he cared about the widows and orphans
basizwe n'abasirikari baguye ku
who have
rugamba
been left behind by their parents who have fallen at the
mu bihe
battle
bitandukanye.
in different seasons.
yubakiye abatabazi ingo
He gave houses to so many auto defense.
kandi bose akabagabirira.
They got married. He's the one who supported their marriage.
yahuje amatorero
He joined together the
yaramaze
churches,
imyaka myinshi
which had so many years
yaracanye mu bana,
in differences.
kandi ibi byazanye ububyutse mu matorero.
And this has brought a revival in churches.
yabwirije ijambo ry'Imana,
He preached the word of God.
akoresha ibiterane bikomeye
He hosted so many
mu
conferences
matorero atandukanye,
in different churches.
yubakishije imihanda,
He has constructed the roads
ibiraro
and the bridges,
n'ibindi bikorwa by'amajyambere.
some other different infrastructural activities.
kanyaga
This one was doing
no
it
gukumira ibitero byose
together with the fighting against the enemies
byagabaga buri munsi
that was being
abaturage banze gusiga gakondo yabo.
the attacks that used to attack our people.
Lieutenant General Rukunda Michel
Lieutenant General Rukunda Michel,
yubatse igisirikare cy'umwuga
he built a professional military personnel activities,
kandi gikomeye,
which is very strong.
yagaruriye ubwoko bwose icyizere cyo kubaho.
He brought back hope to our community.
abantu bose bari bamaze guhambira
People who were so desperate,
utwabo ngo bahunge,
who were ready to run away,
bongeye gutura
he brought them back and
mu
settled them
gihugu kugeza ubu,
in the land up to now.
nubwo umutekano
Even though the security
utaraboneka kuko wifuzwa.
is not found as we want it to be.
nyakubahwa perezida w'umuryango mugari,
Honorable, the leader of our community,
iyerekwa rya Rukunda Michel
the vision of our Rukunda Michel,
ryigeze rigarukira mu muryango wacu,
it did not stop from our family only, whereby he was born.
ahubwo
But
iyerekwa rye ryari rigari cyane,
his vision was very wide.
ryarengaga umuryango we bwite,
It was beyond his family,
umuryango wose w'agasinzira,
the whole family of
ubwoko
Basinzira,
bw'abanyamurenge
the whole community of Banyamulenge,
ndetse n'igihugu.
and also generally the country in general.
twirwaneho ubwoko bw'abanyamulenge ndetse n'abatutsi bose n'abatutsi bari muri rusange.
The community of Banyamulenge and the ethnicity at large.
Igihugu cya Gakondo ndetse n'akarere k'ibiyaga bigari.
The land and also the great lakes.
Twabuze intwari ikomeye.
We have lost our great hero.
Twabuze umuhanuzi ukomeye.
We have lost our prophet
w'ibihe byose.
Of all times.
Nidukomeza kuzirikana amagambo ye meza,
if we continue to remember his good words, he will become a shining light. He will become unceasing light, which will lead us unto our destiny.
Umuryango wacu,
our family,
urashimira Imana yaduhaye Rukunda Michel.
Thank our God who has given Rukunda Michel to our family as the great gift, as a great hero, together with the many heroes who have offered themselves in order to defend us. We thank our God for Lieutenant General Rukunda Michel. He left us with support. I mean, he left us with his wife and children. And we will continue to remember him. Our family, the family which is Gakondo, who has accepted the date of today, to be now put there as the date to be remembered. Our hero, the hero of our community. And it is the time to consider some other heroes who have offered their lives for the many lives of many. And also what you do, we consider to remember them. We remember, we consider them. May God continue to bless you. Request. Honorable, all the honorables who are gathered here today. The one who has killed us, he did not go anywhere. Even now, the spear is ready. He's ready now. He's continue making the bad plan to kill, so that no one could not be spared. So that no one could be spared, or the one who has been spared, so that he can run away. Let us stand together in our unity and solidarity. Let's fight they despise me. The world has no mercy on us. Our victory is fighting for ourselves. In honor, in respect, and also and those whom we join together in fighting for ourselves. We say this. Unity is power. Let us continue to understand that the support of outside comes after the rain. Commemorating Lieutenant General Michel, which is good. It is to put together all the great word that he has left us with a legacy, which he has spoken in an open way, which he has spoken when he was speaking openly. As we wind up, Honorable our leader, all the honorables who are here, the family of Basinzira, we are also saying sorry for you, all of you. And we assure you that we will be together in doing all the activities that will support our community. And the unity and also determining will continue to take care of the family of our family as he left us. And also continue to remember the legacy he has left us with. Let there be the hero of Michel. Let there be our community. Let there be the friends of our community. Let there be Mulenge and also the country of Congo. Lieutenant General Rukunda Michel, continue to rest in peace of our Lord. Your people will continue to keep you in their hearts. Thank you. We thank you. In this word, let me request you. Give honor to our great hero. And also in giving honor to all the heroes who have fallen, who have died. Let us be upstanding, all of us. Let us stand up so that we can remember them. Thank you. Brethren, those who have represented their families, churches, Shikama, parents, our friends, all of you have responded to this commemoration. Young and old, we greet you. And I wish you to be strong on today. As you know the day of today,
duhujijwe no kwibuka intwari yacu General Rukundwa Michel.
We are joined together to remember our hero Rukundwa Michel,
wadukuwemo tutamanga,
who passed away not because we hated him,
hamwe n'izindi ntwari zose zatabarukanye,
together with some other heroes who have died along with him.
mu gihe abanzi b'umurenge bagabaga ibitero by'ubwiyahuzi,
by the time when our enemies have attacked our place.
ubwo General Michel n'abandi batanze ubuzima bwabo,
That is when Rukundwa Michel and the others have passed away,
kugira ngo umurenge abayituye babeho,
so that the citizens of Minembwe or Mulenge in general can have peace.
tuje kwibuka General Michel.
We have come to remember General Michel.
Tuje kwibuka ibigwi bye.
We've come to remember his legacy.
Tuje kwibuka amateka ye yaturemeye.
We've come to remember his history as he created in our life.
Tuyakunde.
Let us love it.
Tuyavuge kandi tuyigire.
Let us speak it and learn from it.
Kandi tuyigire yacu.
And let us make it ours.
Kuko kubaho kwacu bizava mu kwigwanaho kwacu.
Because our living depends on how we fight for ourselves.
Aya mateka tuvuga arimo kuzirikana urugamba rwo kwanga urupfu.
The history that we speak is to stand up and fight against the enemies who are standing to uproot us from our place. The war that are fighting us because of how we were born.
General Michel yadusigiye iragi ryo kwitaho imfuzi n'abapfakazi.
General Michel left us with the work of caring about widows and orphans.
N'imiryango yabo yasizwe.
And also the families that have been left behind.
Tuyihumurize.
So that we can comfort them,
tuyifate mu mugongo,
so that we can continue to carry them on our back.
Ikindi tuzirikana nuko yaharaniye ubumwe bwacu ngo tubeho.
We also consider how he fought for our living, our unity, solidarity.
Kandi tumwe kuko ubumwe nizo mbaraga zacu.
To be in unity, because in unity there is power.
Dukorere hamwe tudacitse iteke.
Working together without being discouraged or disappointed.
Dukore cyane kuko twikoreye umukingi wacu niwo badusize.
Working hard because we are the one who are carrying what he has left with us.
Twirinde imvugo z'amacakubiri.
Let us put away all the speeches of hatred, division, the speeches that does not give honor, that does not comfort our people. As the parents who have given birth and also we raise up children, we would like to request the government of DRC, also international communities, to stand up and give justice to our community. And also we thank the country that has given us refuge, the country like Kenya and others, that has given us peace and security. On behalf of all the leadership of women that we represent, we are here to comfort the family of Rukundwa Michel and all the families of the heroes who have fallen, who have died. We give condolences to our heroes who are still fighting the war and those who have wounded at the battlefield. The heroes who never cease, who don't sleep. They never sleep nor slumber. They are awake to fight so that our community may have peace, so that we never be exterminated. People who offer yourselves in one way or the other, we really thank you. Let me also have this opportunity to thank all the women of Nairobi. It is not because also men did not do something. Even though you can see women who are here in front are very few, but we represent the many others who are remain there. Truly, let our God continue to bless you. You do it well. We have the widows who have been left when they are young. You have seen them. You can imagine a young woman of 20 years being left with 2 kids. We say sorry. Continue to be strong. It is the bad time that has come upon us, but it will end. On behalf of all the women that we are standing together, they have done so many great jobs. We have nothing to offer which is equal to the sorrow of today. But we are saying sorry for you. The year of education when it started, but because I know there are so many things you have done, we are going to talk with the leader of Banyamulenge women. We will give $500. The women are here, so that at least you can pay school fees for 2 kids. Thank you very much. May God bless you. Thank you, the women. Let us request those who have prepared some of the poems which talks about the day of today. Let us request them to move forward.
Aujourd'hui, nous sommes réunis pour honorer la mémoire, non pas des lieux, mais d'un homme. Un homme au nom devenu symbole, Makanika. Makanika n'est pas une colline ni une vallée, il était un fils de ce peuple, un frère, un père, un compagnon. Un homme dont le courage a parlé au moment où le silence aurait signifié la disparition. Il y eut une époque où la vie elle-même était menacée, où l'on demandait à certains de courber la tête, d'accepter l'inacceptable, d'étendre le cou et d'attendre la mort. Mais une parole s'est levée ferme et doubleuse à la fin, nous n'étendons pas le cou pour être égorgés. Cette phrase n'est pas une provocation, elle était un cri de survie, un refus de l'effacement. Ce n'est pas l'amour de la guerre qui animait ces hommes, mais la nécessité de rester debout. Ainsi est née une conviction profonde. Nous devons nous défendre, non pour conquérir, non pour dominer, mais pour protéger la vie et préserver la dignité humaine. Makanika faisait partie de ceux qui ont compris que parfois l'histoire impose des champs impossibles. Dans l'obscurité et la terre, il a choisi la responsabilité plutôt que la fuite, le devoir plutôt que le confort. Il y a aussi cette parole lourde de sens difficile à entendre, même dans le contexte de l'époque. Nous devons mourir pour que d'autres vivent. Ce n'est pas un culte de la mort, mais un sacrifice conscient d'expression ultime de l'amour de son peuple. Il y a cette autre phrase souvent rappelée, prononcée, non pas avec haine, mais avec détermination. Il viendra un jour où nous ne serons plus attaqués, où nous nous lèverons et nous ferons face solide et unis comme des ours. Cette image n'est pas un appel à l'agression, mais un symbole de résistance, de fermeté, de la volonté de ne plus vivre dans la paix. Aujourd'hui, nous nous souvenons de Makanika et de tous les héros tombés de ses côtés, des hommes et des femmes dont les noms ne figurent pas toujours dans les livres, mais sont gravés dans la mémoire des familles et dans l'âme de notre communauté. Nous ne nous souvenons pas pour raviver la haine, mais pour honorer la vérité. Nous ne commémorons pas pour préparer la vengeance, mais pour transmettre une leçon essentielle. Leur sacrifice devait nous unir et non nous diviser. Banyamulenge, la mémoire des Makanika nous interpelle aujourd'hui et il nous l'attelle que l'unité est notre force la plus durable, que les divisions fragilisent ce que le courage a protégé et que l'avenir ne peut se construire que si la solidarité et le respect mutuel. Que les aînés transmettent cette histoire avec honnêteté sans la déformer ni l'instrumentaliser. Que la jeunesse entende non seulement les récits du combat, mais surtout le sens du sacrifice et de la responsabilité. Que femmes et hommes marchent ensemble dans un engagement commun pour la vie, la dignité et la paix. Que les noms des Makanika ne soient pas seulement prononcés lors des cérémonies, mais qu'ils vivent dans nos actes quotidiens, dans notre capacité à rester unis, à refuser l'injustice et à construire un avenir où plus jamais un enfant n'aura à grandir dans la terre. À Makanika et à tous les héros tombés pour la dignité de leur peuple. Nous rendons hommage aujourd'hui avec respect, unité et responsabilité, afin que leur sacrifice ne soit jamais fait. Banyamulenge muteraniye hano kwibuka intwari zacu n'imikuru y'amarira gusa, bibe ishuri ry'ubumwe n'ubwubahane, bibe urumuri rutumurikira ejo hazaza. Ntitubibuke ngo twonge iteka, turabibuka ngo dukuremo ubwenge, turabibuka ngo twibuke agaciro k'ubumwe kuko bapfiriye kugira ngo tutazongera gutandukana. Ubumwe niwo murage w'intwari, amacakubiri ni igikomere bazize badusabye kuzakira. Urakoze cyane.
General Makanika, intwari twirata, urugero rwiza rw'abagabo, intwari twagabiwe na Rugira. General w'igihugu cy'amatongo, wihana byose uragitabara, tuzahora tukwibuka intwari yacu. Mu gihe ubwoko bwari bwugarijwe n'umwanzi, jenoside yamaze gutegurwa, wigomwe byose urabugoboka, uhagarika imigambi y'ababisha, imirimo yawe izahora yibukwa. Ku misozi migari wabimburiye ingabo, utambagiraho abandi bari batangiye gusohererwa barasusuruka. Nyemerera kubwire ko uri ingabe itazigera yibagirana na rimwe mu bwoko bwacu. Uri ishema tuzahora twirata, urumuri wacanye uzahora rumurikira intambwe za motoje kugeza tugeze ku ntsinzi. Ndumva nkumbuye kubona imfura zivuye imfuruka zose mwifuhe zirenga agafinda ziteguye gutura iwacu. Mu nkundire duharanire kuzatura muri gakondo. Murakoze cyane. Kubera umwanya reka tuyahinde, twari kuvuga menshi, ariko ndagira ngo summarizing because we had many to say. Ndagira ngo tuze gukomereza ku bateguye amateka y'akarengane ubwoko bwacu bwagiye bunyuramo mu bihe bigiye bitandukanye. Let us welcome the one who has been the injustice that you have faced in many different times and seasons.
Tariki 19 z'ukwa kabiri 2026 wibuka intwari zacu.
Remember our heroes who offered their lives for our people.
Zirangajwe imbere n'intwari yacu
Led by our hero
Lieutenant General Michel Rukunda Makanika.
Lieutenant General Rukunda Michel Makanika.
Abayobozi bacu ba Siberika,
Our leaders of Siberika, our leaders
bahagarariye ubwoko bwacu hano muri iki gihugu,
who are representing our community here in Kenya.
bashumba bacu mwese mu byubahiro byanyu,
All our pastors in your honor.
banyamurengekazi muri aha ngaha,
Banyamulenge, all of you who are here today.
nshuti z'abanyamurenge mwese mwaje kwifatanya natwe kwibuka intwari zacu,
The friends of Banyamulenge who have joined us here today to commemorate
bashyitsi
the
batumire mwatumiwe mukaba mwitavye,
invited guests who have come
kubwo kuza kubana natwe kwibuka intwari yacu Lieutenant General Rukunda Makanika n'izindi ntwari zose,
who have come to commemorate our heroes who have died.
dutangiye tubahambore ngo mukomere.
We started by saying sorry. be strong.
tugiye kuvuga bukeya mu mateka yacu aho urwango rwacu rwatangiriye.
We are just going to give you the background of our history, how it started.
Kuko ntabwo twaremwe twanga.
Because we were not born as people who are being hated by other people.
Hari igihe twigeze kubaho tumeze nk'abandi.
There is a time we used to live like others.
Ariko amateka agenda bihindura bigera igihe bibaho tuba inyamaswa tukaba nk'abantu.
But the history changed. We became an enemies.
Bitewe n'amateka mabi twagiye turarwana abakoloni.
Because of the bad history left by the colonizers.
Dutangiriye ku mwaka w'igihumbi 1891.
By starting by 18
kugeza mu mwaka w'igihumbi 1933
to 1930.
Icyo gihe twari dutuye muri kiriya gihugu cyacu tumeze nk'abandi bantu.
At that time we lived in Congo like other people.
Twari dufite ubuyobozi bwacu butuyobora.
We had our leadership.
Twari dufite amasheferi yemewe.
We had chiefs.
Kuko hari tekereza abazungu zabivugaga bari bakolonije icyo gihe.
According to how colonizers used to divide the places.
Ariko nyuma y'icyo gihe,
after that time,
icyo gihe twari dufite chef de politique witwaga Kayira.
We have our chief called Kayira.
Yari afite abasushefu benshi.
He had some other chiefs, assistant chiefs under him.
Bakoranaga nawe.
Who served with him.
Barimo Imuhanga yewe n'abanyiri Muhanga.
Among them there is those who are leading the place.
Kanisha. Igatyazo hari abagitimba.
And also Gitimba.
Hari notable Mutayega.
Notable Mutayega, those are the chiefs.
Kigushu hari abanda Ndangani.
Kigushu, there was Ndangani.
Mutunda hari Remera hari aba notable Sebagurwa.
There was also notable Sebagurwa.
Kamiro hari notable Gasambi.
Notable Gasambi.
Ihande hari notable Bushambi.
Even Bushambi. Those are the chiefs that were.
Iyo yari mwaye plateau uva Mushaka.
That was the lower hill of.
Nukuvuga ngo icyo gihe mwaye plateau yari mu buyobozi bwa Kayira ariko bw'ubwoko bwacu.
Lower hill was led by Kayira. Kayira was from our community.
Bigeze mu mwaka w'igihumbi 1933.
When it comes to 1933,
haba inama yari itumijwe n'uwari umuadministrateur w'umuzungu mu Bibirigi.
There was a summit convened by a Belgian person.
Uwo mu Bibirigi ibyo bari ko biga kwari kugira ngo bakureho Kayira.
He convened the meeting to remove that chief of our community.
Kuko bazanye idini kandi bagashaka uburyo bakandamiza abantu, basanga abantu bacu barasa nabi bafite ubwenge buri hejuru y'abandi twari duturanye.
Because they brought religion in our place and they saw our people are wise enough, they will stand against them.
Zatumye biba ikibazo bakuraho Kayira.
Then it made the Belgian man to come and remove our chief.
Kayira amaze kuhava.
When they removed him on power,
dekre kukuraho yabaye ku itariki 5 ukwezi kwa 12
they had the discussion of remove of him.
Gutinya yuko ashobora kuba za soulèvement byenda sinzi impamvu. Gutinya yuko ashobora kuba soulèvement z'abaturage.
Because of fearing how the demonstration can be carried on,
habayeho gukora inama yihutirwa.
They convened a meeting quickly. An urgent meeting was convened.
Izakureguza Kayira bamweguza ku
bushefu. To come and make him resign, so that he may resign.
Ariko bamutsingo 884
in 1880s.
Hari ya Berlin.
During the conference, Berlin conference.
We
were settled in the place where we live up to now. There was no any boundary. Together with other kind of district or provinces. In Bangui, in Equateur provinces, they have people who speak the same language here in Congo, in the other countries also. The people back Congo, they speak the same language in Angola. The people of Kinshasa who speak the same language of the people of Brazzaville and Lubumbashi, they speak the same language. But the problem come to us because of how we look like.
uyu guverineri amaze guhamagarira abantu kutwica.
After this governor calling other people to come and kill
arasa
us,
n'uwari worosoye abari bazuse kugira baza bavuga.
it was like he was calling the people who are ready to kill us.
wahise atangira ubwicanyi.
They started killing our people.
nyuma y'iryo tangazo ry'ibuka bwahise yishwa abantu 22 barimo abayetidia.
After the announcement he made calling upon the people to come and kill us,
Kabera magaja bibogobogo na Sarutaburi yahishwa abantu 550.
Kabera and Bogobogo, more than 500 people were killed.
abandi 159 bajanwe iminyago mateko
159 were taken as captives.
Ruberizi na Kamanyura hiciwe abantu bagera 10 barimo abashumba batatu.
Kamanyola, more people were killed.
Na shefu
Among them pastors and chief.
harimo Revera Bugunzu, Revera Semu,
Reverend Bugunzu
na Revera Muzuzi
and Reverend Muzuzi
na shefu Keno.
and Chief Ukenugo.
Lahora turi.
We'll still remember them. Nganji, the place called Nganji,
hishiwe abantu 75 abandi jana batwarwa amateka.
70 people were killed and some other hundreds of children were taken. Remera,
hishiwe abantu 36.
66 were killed.
Kimanga Buvira hishiwe abantu 5.
Kimanga Ovira, 5 people were killed.
Mwene Semukorore wishwe agacibwa umutwe bakawuzungurukana mu mujyi wose bagenda bawerekana mu kwa abanzi basi.
He was beheaded and also they took his head and continued showing it to people.
Bimaze kumiruko nguko
After that situation,
arasubira havukaho abandi batwirwanaho baravuga ngo akagasuzuguro tizoshoboka.
some other Kirwaneho were born and they said, we cannot continue seeing the killing.
Abasore benshi barahaguruka.
Many young men stood up.
Barimo intwari yacu tuko twibuka uyu munsi.
Among them, there were this hero that we remember
Barahaguruka
today.
baravuga ngo ntabwo twokwemera yuko ababyeyi bapfa tukiriyo turi twagiye mu mahanga.
They stood up and said, we cannot accept the killing which is happening to our people.
Abantu barahagurutse habitambara.
People stood up and fight for themselves.
Birana n'uwitwa Laurent Désiré Kabila nawe wari gushaka ubuyobozi. Laurent Désiré Kabila ushaka ubuyobozi.
Even Laurent Kabila, who was longing the leadership,
Tumushigikira tuzi yuko nitugerera no tuzagira amahoro.
we even supported him, knowing that after capturing or getting to the leadership, he must be.
imbaraga andi moko atashoyemo.
We used the full effort to support Laurent Kabila.
Turagenda mu mezi 7 tugenda ibirometero 2,000 birenga
We
n'amaguru.
fought for 7 months, traveling so many kilometers fighting along with the Laurent Kabila. In history, there was no any war that you can walk 7 months walking, fighting.
Ariko abantu bari bazi ko amahoro azaba.
That people knew that we'll get peace.
Tugeze Kinshasa amahoro arababuke abantu bacu bakabaryama.
When we get to Kinshasa, we had just the peace of a short period of time.
Atarashira imyaka 2.
Before we get to 2 years,
kuri tariki 2 z'ukwezi k'umunani muri 1998.
2nd August in 1998.
Wali President Kabila wa Laurent Désiré Kabila.
Laurent Kabila,
witwa Herodian
Ndombasi,
aja ku mashini ya mateleviziyo.
he went to the media.
Iwe yatwise ngo turabanzi.
He went to RTNC and said, these are not only enemies.
Adukuramo umuntu twaba twibaye abantu.
He removed humanity. He said we are human, no longer human. He made us like insects.
Ibyo ni muri bimwe kugira ngo icyaha cyitwa genocide bashingiramo.
Those are some of the things that people can speak and say, this was the genocide that was planned.
Iyo umuntu wamaze kurukuramo umuntu,
when you remove humanity into a human,
ikintu,
then you make him an insect.
ibyo ni ibyaha ndengakamere.
These are the highest criminal that you can prosecute.
Aravuga ngo bari abantu mwabonaga habasukudusa.
Herodian Ndombasi said the people that you have seen that who don't look like us,
bari yani minyorogoto.
these are just the insects. Kill them like serpent. He said that the serpent, you have to kill them.
Ubwo tegeko ryarakurikijwe.
The decree that he gave was fault.
Bakoresheje abantu badasanzwe.
They killed so many people at that time when he gave that decree.
Mu gihugu hose,
in the whole country.
Aho Kalemi hapfuye abantu bagera kuri 87.
In Kalemi, 87 people were killed. Continue to be strong.
Kinshasa hafi abantu 300.
In Kinshasa, 300 men were killed. In 2003, I went to Kinshasa. Then a person took me to the Kankokolo camp. Then he said to me, can you see the plantation which is there? Let us continue to be strong. Then he said, in those plantations there is the dead bodies of your people. There are the graves of your people who have been buried there. In Kamina, 400 people killed. In Lubumbashi, 200 people were killed. In Zura, 45 people were killed. More than 20,000 ran away from war. They were scattered all over the world without having anything. Without any other reason. Because of how God created them. Pweto, 70 people were killed. Those are the people who were killed because of the orders given by God. These are the two mentioned, but more have been killed. This tongue can kill, it can spare people. We are rushing because of time. And after this grieving words, we have some other words to comfort. In the year of 2004, after coming into the transition government, because LCD, the same people who don't want us to leave, they came and said you have to leave Kinshasa so that they may have peace. There is no peace that comes out of the agreement. The peace comes out of shedding of the blood. They went to Sun City for the peace talk. We found ourselves into the transitional government. It was 1+4. Then we lived in that government. It was one president plus 4. When we landed to Kinshasa, we fought against MONUSCO, the UN soldiers. When we landed, after 20 minutes, after even settling to Kinshasa, we were together with the 5 generals. Some were our relatives and some of them were not our relatives. There were officials, there were more than 60 officials. Less than 10 or 20 minutes. The situation has changed. Those who have diabetes already, they ordered us now to sit down at the tarmac road, and they said you are arrested right now. The leaders made a phone call. We stayed there in a few days. I remember we were at the headquarters. There are some people who fear to speak this. Some people, they offer their life to die for us. We fear to speak. We had the parade as usual. There was a leader. Our leader they used to say it's the one who is in charge of us in terms of religious matters. When the war started,
kuri yo parade yabaga iriho abaofisiye bagera kuri 600.
At that parade there were more than 60 soldiers.
Kandi bene wacu bajyaga kuri yo parade yari jenje.
And I was the only person who was different from the other in that
Mutima
parade.
magana 600 aravuga ngo igitume tutazatsinda urugamba rw'iki gihugu.
Among 600 people, one say,
Ngo twabaye infiltré.
he said the reason why we're not going to defeat this war is because of infiltrated. We have been infiltrated. Imagine 600 people, one person who is this one has penetrated Israel, is an enemy. And imagine he's the one who was in charge to preach the gospel to us. We lived in this situation which was not good. Reason why even our people are there, when you try to judge them, do not. Many of them are there because of loving or wanting to be there.
Nuko ibyo birangiye muri 2004 turi Kinshasa dufite vice president.
In 2004 when we had the vice president,
bene wacu barahunze bahunga Uvira kubera itambara.
Our people ran away from Uvira because of war. Some of them they are here.
Barahunga igihugu kirabakira cy'u Burundi.
They ran away from Uvira
bagera mu maboko ya Nations.
They were received by United Nations.
Amaboko ya Nations ni arasumba amaboko y'igihugu.
And the United Nations hands more than the hands of a country.
Ariko barambuka bava ku butaka bwa Congo.
They crossed from DRC.
Babakubira mu butaka bw'u Burundi.
They went, they found them to the land of Burundi. They killed them.
Bari muri distance y'amametero magana ngani n'ikayabasikare.
And yet they were just at a short distance with the camp of militant Burundian army. They were protected by United Nations military. They were killed in Gatumba when the United Nations were there. The government of Congo sent the delegates to go and see what has happened. They call upon the leadership of Burundi to come and see what has happened. They gave them the charges and they took them to the prosecution. But we are still continuing to face injustice. During that night, in Gatumba, 165 people were killed. It has been forgotten, no prosecution. As we are rushing to this commemoration in 2016, we had one group or the area where we were. We had a chief. The neighbors whom we lived together, Bafuliro, they came and attacked our chief. They attacked him, they started shooting the gun. And his death started from that wound. They wanted to chase them out to leave that land, the place. After Kabarure chief dying, we had no peace. Minembwe and Mibunda, they were still living there. People started being killed and being assaulted and each every day. The government did not do anything. There was no any protection that the government has offered. When it comes to the year of 2018, the war also spread to Mibunda. People who are in Mibunda, they ran away from where they went to Mikenke. When they get to Mikenke, they were shot, the bullet shot by the government military. The army of DRC started shooting Palestinians. And many of them ran away, they were scattered all over. And then insecurity became wide to
kuva
everyone.
muri 2017 kugeza uyu munsi n'imyaka 9
From 2017 up to now, it is now 9 years.
ubwoko bwacu buriko bwicwa.
Our people are being killed day and each every day.
umubare w'abamaze gupfa muri ziriya ntambara ntawawubara
The total number of the people who died, we cannot mention.
kuko n'ubu duhagaze ahangaha ko barapfa.
Because even now, at this point of time we are speaking, people are being killed there.
abantu bacu barafungwa baratotezwa bajyanishiriza gufungwa ntacyo bakoze.
Our people are being arrested and being persecuted, mistreated without any reason.
bamwe muri bo baragenda bapfirayo.
Some of them were under arrest and they became even
abandi
depressed.
babayeho nabi mu buryo butari ubw'ubumuntu.
And others are living a life which is a miserable life.
tukaguma tukagira ngo none leta yari kizabira.
And we thought that the government can do something in order to spare.
icyo gihe cyose leta yari kwitwica ariko ikayikoresha abandi itaragaragara ku mugaragaro.
At that time, the government was using behind some other people to kill us.
habaye muri 2020
When it became in 2020,
imana isa n'igiye kudusetsa.
God wanted to give us one more laugh on our face.
imana iduheza zone ya Minembwe.
God gave us the son of Minembwe.
yari yarasohotse muri 2013 konti bayitanga ku mugaragaro.
It has been given in 2016.
habaye muri 2020
But they did not give it officially, proclaim it, but when it came to 2020,
2020 barayitanga ku mugaragaro hari mu kwezi kwa 10.
in 2020, they gave us a song.
bamaze kuyitanga
When they gave us that song,
bari batanze amateritware 178.
they have given more than 174.
izo zose iyacu yari imwe.
We had only one, our community.
twavuze ko sheferi yari imwe bayikuraho.
We had one sheferi, but they took it away.
pema yari imwe barasaka barongera ngo bayidukure.
Then a groupema, which was led by Kabarure, they shot
batwera
it.
teritware mu materitware 178.
They gave us one territory, the zone among 174.
uwagiye gushiraho administrateur ku muinstale ku mugaragaro.
That the one who wanted to appoint our leader there
n'uwo bari barakoresha kandi kugira ngo duheze iminsi 6
is the same person who has ordered us to leave DRC. He gave us 6 days.
imbaraga z'Imana zirasumbiza abantu.
At the hands of God, the power of God is more than the power of
wa
God.
wundi waduhaye iminsi 6
The same person who has given us 6 days
ubuyobozi bwaramutegetse ngo ari uja kuvuga yuko Minembwe bayi
to leave Congo is the one the government has ordered to go and proclaim that is zone that has been given to our community.
ariko bamaze kuyiduha kuko tubana n'abantu badashaka ngo tubaho.
After giving us that kind of place that we are ruling ourselves,
teritware yacu amaze iminsi 2
we had that kind of zoning for 2 days.
kuko ku itariki yamaze iminsi 2
Only 2 days. He lasts for 2 days.
umunsi wakurikiyeho
The following day,
ku itariki 8 bari bayishyize ku itariki 6
because they have officially announced it on 6th, then when it gets to 8,
abanzi bacu bahoraho
our permanent enemies,
kuko turabagira bamwe baba imbere abandi.
because we always have those enemies.
abitwa babitakwira murabazi.
Bitakwira, some of them are called
abitwa
Bitakwira.
banzangi
Zangi,
nabo bazapfa nk'uburyo abambere bapfuye ariho bazuruni barapfuye.
and those ones who are the enemy to our people
ariho
also
abandi
die.
bavuze tuzabaho mutakihari.
Even the one who said he will never leave is the
abitwa
one who
babisale n'abandi
has
barahamuka babwira perezida ari kuri Goma.
and those people saying it, they stood up and said to the
baramubwira
president.
ngo tutangiriya teritware iraba igihugu cyo hakurya igihugu zabugitanze.
Then they said, once you give the territory to this community, as if you have given it to the other country.
ubundi teritware zitangwa muri ministere interiere.
Territory is being given by
ari
the
perezida
community.
ahise afata icyemezo wenyine aho ngaho akorana dekararasiyo wenyine.
But ours was pronounced by the president.
ndavuga uburyo yavuze ndasubira mu ijambo ryo mu Gifaransa.
Let me repeat the word he spoke in French.
yaranditse ngo pour moi
He said it to me.
le salut du peuple est la loi suprême.
The supreme rule, the leadership.
ngo je ne peux pas laisser ma peuple en danger.
I can't leave my people in danger.
nukuvuga ngo kuduheza territoire.
So for him to give us the
territory,
meaning his own people were put in danger. Meaning you are not considered like the people the accept. The territory was stopped. The one who was the leader continued to serve, and yet the territory wasn't there. But where people despise you is where God raises you up. That leader has been there with our people for 2 years. In the bad life we lived with them. He stood up and he became one of people. He was even able to just leave the place. He was able to join his family and live in peace. But he said, I will never leave my people, I will continue being in struggle with them. God who does never sleep nor slumber, they appointed him to become the vice governor. Even though we are in this kind of darkness, but we know that tomorrow, in the future, the sun is going to shine. As we wind up, this world where we are living, when they speak about the world, they speak about the leadership. This world has no compassion and mercy. The world does not work with the weak people. The world does not work with the people who are sleeping. The world can give you support when they see you strong. When you show them how you are strong, that is when the world will come and stand with you. But crying and groaning and each every day, they don't care. Reason why living in this world, we have no any other option. We don't have any other option or choice. We don't have any other shortcut apart from being in Kirwanaho. Fighting for ourselves is not a political party. A political party can be there for a while, for a time, a period of time. A regime can serve for a certain period of time. But fighting for yourself is something which has no end. Fighting for yourself is an ideology. Fighting for yourself, fighting for your living. Fighting for yourself to refuse injustice. Fighting for yourself to claim to live as others live. We were born without 9 months. If our parents stood up and also stopped the Mulele movement, there were just a few people who stood up. Today we have the young men and young women, thousands and thousands of them. Your contribution is needed there. We have no any maternity that gives children who can go and fight. We have no any other nation who has given birth to the children who can go and fight for you. There is no anyone who is pity for you, who has the compassion. Our living depends on us. And also not living, our having injustice depends on ourselves. The life of people or fighting for ourselves, it has so many ways. In those many ways we have them.
burya muri Bibiliya bavuga ngo Imana yagiye buri pano ku bantu batandukanye n'uburyo butandukanye.
In the Bible says God gives different people different gifts.
Natwe yagiye amakapasite atandukanye.
Even we, God has given us different capacity.
Harabo yahaye kumera nk'iyitwari yacu ikirenga icyo yaha.
That those ones He gave to become like He.
Harabo yahaye kumera nk'uyu muzeyi umumamura imbere yacu.
And those ones He gave to become like this.
Harabo yahaye kumenya kuvuganira abandi mu nkiko kuko dufite abantu barize.
That those ones who stand to advocate for
Harabo yahaye gutanga amafaranga turayafite.
That those ones He gave the finances capacity. Nobody who can see how we have dressed up and see you have no finances. We have finances. We have finances. We have our hands. We have our hands. We have people who are educated. What do we miss so that our place can be peaceful? What do we miss? Because you should ask yourself a little every day, what is my contribution to my place, to my There are some people who thought that there are others who can go there to sacrifice themselves for you. The person who has such kind of mindset, you will die not reaching to your
There's
no any person who will go and prepare the place for you to live. Nobody else who will come and prepare the place for our land apart from you and me. We have so many troubles there. It needs our hands to be joined together. We need to join our hands together. White people are wise. They used to come and be bought as slaves. Then one day they said, how do we claim for the human rights? We bring people and we buy them as slaves. Then they said, let us put something which is called a process. So that we can go and do the work of slavery. They gave us such kind of stuff. They destroy our place. And now they are signing the treaty. Why would they sign the treaty to come and live in our land? They are signing the treaty to come and live in our land, and yet we are going to their land. You know the money they pay you when you reach there? It is just that they left over that has fallen down from their tables. As you remember our hero, let me just speak him in a few things. I saw him in 66. I met him in 96 and 98. Then we were separated. I met with him in 2012. When he was a leader, he had a very big office. He had a vehicle. His children used to go to school when they had vehicles. But he left all such kind of comfort. When we ask you the comfort zone you are fearing to live, you cannot even provide it. But he left the comfort zone. Three things I can mention. He was a hero. The second one, he was a believer, a Christian. The third one, he was a person with a vision. He used to look far. Those are three things that I know about him. People who lived with him knew about it. Now today, as we commemorate him, it is not the day of commemorating so that we can live just there. Let us continue to consider and remember his legacy. Let us continue to remember what he said. Continuing in the same way he started, is he going to use remember his legacy? And remember him is not to carry the garment whereby you have written his name. What is needed is to continue doing the same activity he was doing. As you wind up, all the things that I've mentioned that you have faced, people can ask you who are killing you. We have been being killed by our government. Since the year of 60s, up to now the government are the ones who are at the front line fighting against us. Together with their partners, Maji movement, they have changed the name into Wazalendo. Together with the army of Burundi, together with some other militia of Burundi, they have joined all of them together to kill us. Then he said it is not enough. He also brought mercenaries from Europe, and some others from elsewhere. They use sophisticated weapons. They use the drones that have never been used before. The drones started the bombardment of our people. The bombardment. Since the year 1960s, we have never seen the drone doing the bombardment. And even our place is not the only place. And for them, they claim that all the rebellion comes from a place. The rebellion of Afdel was led by Laurent Kabila. LCD led by Wamadi Awamba, it was from Bakondo. And the other one is from Katanga. Onusumba is from Sankuru. In those rebellions, there is not any person who has a problem because his people are in the bush. Nobody has been mistreated, persecuted because of how his people are fighting. Bemba was in the bush, and his father was a minister. Bangala community were not attacked. That is when they were killing our people that from our community. Meaning we are people have hatred against us. All of us we have to stand together. When we join our hands together, we can stand. We wind up and we give our condolences to those who have lost their beloved ones, especially the family of General Michel Rukunda. We say sorry to Twigwaneho, wherever they are. We give sorry to our community, our people, but even though it seems like we are in the darkness, but the day is do not be discouraged. Let us not be afraid by the speeches. Do not be afraid by the speeches given by some other people who are in the government. Our people are being corrupted by the government. Let there be Twigwaneho. Let there be Banyamulenge. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Uyu munsi